Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah guys. Being a surprise the one din sotalie me pass back and ngomba do ngaji na nyola ning na Aisha yala. Ga na Aisha felendi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. So guys, me my go dila na Aisha la. We all know that she is an inspiration to many girls out there and also she is full of wisdom. So me my go dila na Aisha la. I'm all kono to dia the one ding isa jandana dol base na fa soto je. I plan to have uh, I plan to have program with Na Aisa on Street Wisdom Talk with Keba, but due to busy schedules, amanke no still. But then we pass by kan kombarung nga trailer ke video trailer ke.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Badingol albe bakairo konom. Diamota jamfala. But then coming ayafa nyaming, we are going to deal with hikmah. Nka domandingol mimwe hani bimbola fokan. Hani bin advice bekala minti coming ajelo ko. Meluntambale bulakan abitakan. Andul luntango nyimu sanjo kono sinya kilin ngakana. So nintenite mabeta wala. Nsakata bake nga min do kun kana song ay tinyambulu telikilina min keta saloti. And then the last 10 days is mi yalon ko bimba mba kono le sumbalol minul yalon ko ye fonyo sungolo due to unnecessary reasons mbal dani lang sa murun sungo kankato Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala al-ghafurur rahim si. Salo fana nana tanan ikana so yela baraku kendo lutake tinya fenka malami mu itanni diati salo fango mu ala batulungol ti katu walon nen takbiro li nyanta siyala amila mbalu takbiro li nyanta siyala ka ala warandi wolungo so wayanyi tandile ko salo manke pare kensangoti anding ala soko salo mu wolungo ka ala warandi anu funding ke ya fanan mediamula domanding wotole katun ke bala molu to wato sotola ka kuodo ke mimmandiya ale barintol min bo funding ke ya kono nyanta ka kenyola ya karangolti ka kanyo jibe ko la minul betiyata andun kanyo kam jamfande ko la minul yalon ko imam betiya follow wala munti utilize your time. Be somebody that makes best use of his or her time. Katu watu mu watu te adakole yatabakala. Time is very very expensive. Nima watu la kumayalong watu moleng ikatari tulungole kafuko ma watu soto. Be ika niji won niji ta ika sutia alala wale nyama. Saite mune parendi janiba futale mariolo. That is the number one question. Ano Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be mo be nyinin kalale ila funding ke ya tumuto yake mune kunto. Yela funding ke ya dundi mune kunto andu yake mune ka. So nita manfen soto that you are going to report to Allah ite ya jiki beta ramintole. Funding ke wal minul ya lonko ye kungo ke fanne do kuo ke. Walu ibe do kuo kala la kumasa dula alabandula yeke fonyondin lati asatari yemin do kuo belaringi bulokon so ntelaf talenteni te be yeke o multi millialonko be do kuo kala ala la silo kangi bajala nin jore lungona tan o be kala jannatul firdaus lati be dan ale janne. Assalamu alaikum.
Mashallah. Man pare follow de. So Aisha, mo jamale is looking up to you in the country. Probably maybe outside the country you don't know. Kunumbe mbina in Morocco moyen stop aka follow la kan jibe but ngani ni ngay boda mundo la was thinking about follow la Senegal or Gambia but I go Mauritania. So maybe there is someone somewhere me anga mandara Gambia fan which is even possible. So even words of advice left follow Sister Solia, me along what they are looking up to you. What are the challenges and what they should expect?
Okay. Coming and the importance of social media, if you use it in the most rational way, aka nafa kuola ke yalo ita bi ite ke ba FM for jami along ko amu fansene ande dangolti. If you were not doing something good, mote stop la ke londi silo kanka fo e ko nke follow bakele. Mo kuntangolo kamo kendolo jibele ebe min na media to wala yatinda bi tumando ebe dlado to wala e futan wadlanto mbe min folantol social media use lalie well, and let us use this platform, let us use our platforms in a very very rational way. Katung it's a legacy modolu bije wol wati binale be lafilale min dundi media kono pour aye bo barate bonola dolbetar rajel wal dingol binale nyininka na wonto baba itarta ka nyinni nyineke fa beti ya talabang e kungol betar rajimirin katun iba kantu malamin na they never thought wo wato binale ka bari fanan dolbi je minul yalon kum hani bibi ifatale but still their legacy is lingering around. I'll give you an example. Wala mufti EXT. Bibi ni bala video jibe kan ni mo ma fay ko fatale. Ibukalon ka fatale. Kata muneke ay fenne tujam molube karanka min. Ni mo wonde yalon ko you are a public figure, even not a public figure, bari ko kemi yalon ko it will guide you in a very wrong run. Katun kufulalem ne ku kendoke abebatun nadula jang and it's going to pay rewardingly. Kudo bijeni yake na jawiyata abe hunt lala anduita la filafang hani jawoli ben afe so wale yatinna akuma yata ibuka long moju malike jibe and wo mol minul kasi ke jibe probably they are learning something keba there are some of your wisdoms minul sefe you might be taking it very very lightly, but I am going to tell you this today. Sometimes you talk to people exactly the situation that they are in and don't it ease them. And you thought that is just writings, but there are some things when they read those articles they become so relieved because it's a word of encouragement and a word of steadying person's mind. You are healing a lot of people with your words, even if you are not doing financially or physically, but mentally you are really putting ease to some people's heart that are facing depressions.
Thank you so very much. We are going to have one final question for Aisha.
Okay.
Growing up, who do you look up to? Like, who is your motivation? We all have like someone we call mentor, something like that.
Okay.
And then you are going to close it with any surah or verse of your choice.
Okay. Okay, I don't have any coming a manke mo kilinti. But first, I am going to tell you my role model today is Aja Maimuna Savage. Because she is one of this person, me alonko signing fintita mediam one or two people will be like, you are getting closer to the gap that Aja Maimuna Savage left behind. And then the second person is Queen Makalo me alonko, like be near niente nyininka ni mateje ibanteje la through ate ni manteje niate nyininka you will ask me about her. Kataketa moleti mi yalonko, I think she's the first female Gambian mi yalonko ntenga bota minkalama mi Islamic nying Islamic diamo nati nang social media before ntolnga milon wala minul ka comedy ke. But the time that I came across nying TikTok tumola, Queen Makalo is the first person ntenga milong min finti darankana ala kuota ka diamunde wala yatinda ntol jamalie confidence to pur ka finti nambi ka dawake anding eka ayo fana minul fo maybe nse hakel tenkundi rango donati nang molie it's always going to be my favorite ayah memo Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala ba misal mulu bendun na nyamen ni badun arjano kon suratu zumar a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim وسيق الذين اتقوا ربهم إلى الجنة زمرا حتى إذا جاءوها وفتحت أبوابها وقال لهم خزنتها سلام عليكم تبتم فادخلوها خالدون وقالوا الحمد لله الذي صدقنا وأورثنا الأرض نتبوأ من الجنة حيث نشاء فنعم أجر عاملين صدق الله العظيم. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sembe bulandi wo molu kono. I really love these verses a lot because ngala na alaba makwela to be among those groups.
One reason why you love this verse so much.
Because mol minul yalon ko isonta Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala wali tolla la joba kala fengoti katun we will enter in Jannah in groups. Or group follow moment nyanta dunna wo group oto ni futata bunato. There will be a special angel that will greet you with this beautiful word, which is assalamu alaikum. Aliya ku kendo lo minul bara. Some we will think that we don't deserve it. Bari itol bantol hakilo bulandi lelo ko intol sonta alaye tumalamin na dolu balanta. Assalamu alaikum.
So guys, so guys, mbafalal mume ale nanang na aisa ning queen na support ko di ava nimil yalongo already yes sandiro ke jande can put review on the comment section so that someone also can be motivated to come and buy something. So thank you so very much, Aisha, and then keep doing what you do. Proud of you.